Ever pondered over a way to make your home decor more lively and appealing? Perhaps a big leaf houseplant could be the solution you seek. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Houseplants Love. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our tips. In this video, we'll explore 13 striking houseplants that can easily become the centerpiece of any room. First on our list is the elephant ear plant, also known as Calathea. This plant flaunts large leaves that can grow up to 3 feet long, making it a true eye-catcher. However, remember to keep it out of reach from small children and pets as it can be toxic. You can also check our previous video about common toxic indoor plants for pets. You will find the link in description box and I button. Next up is the bird of paradise, a tropical beauty named for its unique flower that mirrors a bird in flight. The foliage of this plant grows in layers from a single central stalk, creating a lush green canopy. Mature indoor plants can reach up to 6 to 7 feet tall and 4 feet wide. However, be mindful of its toxicity to humans and pets alike. The third plant on our list is the Fiddle Leaf Fig, a popular choice for many houseplant enthusiasts. Known for its large, waxy, fiddle-shaped leaves, this plant can be pruned into various shapes. Keep in mind, though, that fiddle leaf figs require careful attention and can be toxic to humans, cats, and dogs. Moving on, we have the Instagram star Monstera Deliciosa. This large houseplant, with its stunning fenestrated leaves, adds a tropical feel to any setting. It can grow up to 10 feet tall indoors, with leaves reaching up to 3 to 4 feet long. However, it's mildly toxic to cats, dogs, and humans. Next, we have the Philodendron Xanadu. This plant's large, leathery, lobed leaves become more intricate as the plant matures. Keep in mind, though, this plant is toxic to humans and pets, so it's best to keep it out of their reach. The sixth plant on our list is the rubber tree. This tropical houseplant has large, waxy leaves and can be grown in various colors and shapes. In its natural habitat, it can grow up to 50 feet tall, but indoors its size can be controlled through pruning and root restriction. Note that it requires bright, direct sun to thrive indoors and can be mildly toxic to cats, dogs, and humans. Next, we have the African mask plant. This striking houseplant is characterized by large, deep green leaves accentuated by deep white or light green veining. The leaves are roughly arrowhead or heart-shaped, and the underside of the leaves is usually a deep purple color. However, this plant is toxic to people and pets. Next, we have the Philodendron Gloriosum. This large-leafed philodendron variety is known for its velvety deep green leaves with white veining. It's a showstopper for sure, but remember, it's also toxic to humans and pets. Moving on to our next big leaf houseplant, we have the banana tree plant, also known as Musa. This plant is renowned for its large tropical foliage, and mature specimens can grow leaves that are up to 2 feet wide and 9 feet long. The banana tree plant makes a fantastic houseplant when placed in a bright, sunny location. It's important to keep the soil evenly moist during the growing season, but don't worry, it's not as demanding as it sounds. An added bonus to this tropical beauty is that it's pet-friendly, so you won't have to worry about your furry friends around it. Now we're going to dive into a plant that's a little more challenging but oh so rewarding. Meet the Majesty Palm. This attractive indoor palm tree can stretch up to 10 feet tall, although it grows relatively slowly. The Majesty Palm is characterized by its large, lush, green fronds that effortlessly spring from multiple stems, creating a canopy of tropical greenery in your home. But fair warning, this beauty can be a bit of a diva. It requires just the right amount of light, temperature, and fertilization to stay happy. You can check the video DIY Organic Fertilizers for thriving houseplants or gardens. So, if you're up for a bit of a challenge and have a bit of a green thumb, the Majesty Palm could be the perfect addition to your indoor jungle. It may require a little extra love and care, but trust us, the payoff is worth it. Now let's move on to wrapping up this leafy exploration. Next, let's explore a plant that's as unique as it is beautiful, the Calathea Orbifolia. This plant is a type of prayer plant, named for the way its leaves fold together at night, as if in prayer. What sets the Calathea Orbifolia apart are its large orb-shaped leaves, which are beautifully patterned with silvery green stripes radiating from the central stem. However, this houseplant requires a bit more attention than some others. It thrives in high humidity, making it a bit of a challenge for some indoor gardeners. You can check our previous video, Different Methods to Increase Humidity. To keep a Calathea Orbifolia happy, place it in a location that receives bright, indirect light and keep the soil evenly moist. Despite its particular needs, the Calathea Orbifolia is a stunning addition to any indoor collection. Its distinct foliage and beautiful patterns make it a standout in the world of big leaf houseplants. Now let's bring this leafy journey to a close. Moving along, let's take a look at a houseplant that's as striking as it is easy to care for. The tropic snow dumb cane, scientifically known as Dieffenbachia segine. This plant is one of the largest varieties of dumb cane and can grow up to an impressive 10 feet tall indoors. Its large, variegated leaves, featuring lush green shades interspersed with bright white patches, are a visual treat. But what makes the tropic snow dumb cane even more appealing is its resilience. Now let's wrap up our leafy exploration. Moving on to our next big leaf houseplant, we have a unique and unusual palm variety that's sure to catch your eye, the Ruffled Fan Palm, or Licola grandis, if we're getting scientific. This distinctive plant is famous for its large pleated leaves that resemble hand fans, adding an exotic and luxurious touch to any interior. But what makes the Ruffled Fan Palm even more special is its simplicity to care for. Despite its royal appearance, it's surprisingly low maintenance. All it asks for is a location in your home that receives bright, indirect light and occasional watering. Remember to allow the top 1 or 2 inches of soil to dry between waterings. Getting your hands on a ruffled fan palm might be a bit challenging, but once you do, its unique fan-like leaves and easy care make it well worth the effort. Now, as we move towards the end of our leafy journey, let's remember that each of these plants brings something unique to the table. With these big leaf houseplants, you can create a vibrant, lively atmosphere in your home. Thanks for tuning in to Houseplants Love. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our plant love content.